Hello everyone, this is KP again from KT University. So I welcome you all to my channel. So today I will be explaining one of my task or assignment that is given by Tenovia Solutions. So Tenovia Solution is one of digital marketing partner. It provides full stack solutions or consultant in business track. So it is based in Bangalore. So you can find it more in internet. So basically moving towards the task, they have asked to perform a cluster analysis on a dataset. So I have actually done this in my favorite IDE, that is Jupyter Notebook. So let me take you there. I will be explaining step by step. I hope it is clearly visible. So it is all about cluster analysis on mall dataset. Let me explain you what is that. So first of all, 1mg Mall have kept a record of their customers that have created a dataset that contains customers' age, sex, annual income, and spending score. What is that? The numerical value between 1 to 100 that depicts the customer spending ability. They want to know what are the different types of customers that visit them. So you have to perform cluster analysis. So first of all, I have imported necessary modules such as NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. Seaborn and Matplotlib. These are used for data visualization such as graphs, charts, etc. NumPy is for array operation and Pandas is for data frame operations. So then I have read the CSV file in dataset. Dataset is the variable here. So dataset.head. This function provides the first few rows of our dataset. We can see here we have customer ID, first column, gender, second column, age, third column, annual income is the fourth column, and spending score, fifth column. So this gender column is the only string part, rest all are integer values. So let us explore the dataset. Dataset.info. This provides a little bit information about our dataset. It contains 200 rows and 5 columns. We have seen our 5 columns, 200 rows as we can see starting from 0 till 199. So then dataset.describe function, it gives the mean, standard deviation, minimum 25%, 50%, 75%, and maximum of the columns which contains integer values such as customer ID, age, annual income, and spending score. Age, the gender column contains no integer value, so it is not here. So we have got the idea. 200 rows, 5 columns, except gender, all are integer type. So mainly I have focused here on annual income and spending score and visualized that. So I have kept out this part, data comparison, which contains the annual income and the spending score. These two columns only. You can see annual income 0 to 9, 10 rows, and spending score also 10 rows. So let us start visualizing our data set. So first of all, I would like to see the bar plot. So bar plot gives the graph or chart in a bar type. I will show you. So in the y-axis, I have kept annual income. In the x-axis, there is spending score. Seaborn provides this bar plot function. So this is the bar plot. So then let us see the distribution. This is provided by Seaborn dot box plot function. SNS is the alias for Seaborn. In the x-axis I have annual income again and the spending score in y-axis again. We can see here they are not symmetrically distributed. We cannot see any find or any linear relationship between them. So let us find the correlation matrix. So the correlation matrix is provided by heat map function. It is a part of Seaborn module. So the light parts is equals to highly correlation. So our mainly focusing part is annual income and spending score, they are darker, so they have not much correlation. Also you can see the value is closely 0 0.0 or 0 0.0 0 0.1 maybe. So the light part is highly correlated, you can see the value that is 1.0. So let us start our clustering part. I have used here scatter plot from Seaborn. Overall we can see that first cluster, second cluster, third cluster, maybe fourth or fifth, maybe 5 clusters are there. Also you can go for joint plot, it is also giving the same idea. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, 5 clusters are there. Then I have drawn the dendrogram. What is dendrogram? Dendrogram is a tree like graph or chart which provides the number of clusters. So you can see here, this is tree like chart, and finally we are getting the number of clusters on the customers data set. So again I am taking that x variable in which I have contained the 3 to 4. 3 to 4 means last 2 columns, and all rows, that is for colon only. I have taken the values in this variable. So I have used here agglomerative clustering. You can use k-means clustering also. Agglomerative clustering is one of the basic hierarchical clustering used a lot. So it is provided by sklearn. What is sklearn? Sklearn is again a machine learning module or library, you can say. It is scikit-learn, which provides many machine learning models such as regression models and classification models. Also clustering models. I have imported agglomerative clustering from it and predicted, and also we have drawn the cluster here. So finally we got this output as a cluster of customers. This is the cluster differentiation, 5 clusters. So what are the insights we have got? All the customers in cluster 1, that is red color. What is red color is available here. We can see the red color is available to the right of x-axis, that is annual income, that is high annual income they are having, and spending score is less. This means less, they spend less even though their annual income is more. They are very careful about their total expenditure. Then comes the royal blue color. Royal blue color is in the middle part. Their spending score is average and annual income is kind of average. So they are the average customers in both income having average part and their total expenditure also in between that. Then the cluster 3, that is green color. So you can find the green color, they are having high income also because they are to the right of the graph and also to the top of y-axis. So they are having also expenditure or spending score very high. So actually they are the target customers who are having high annual income and their annual expenditure is also high. Then the cluster 4 is sky blue color, that is this part. This may not be sky blue, I have written is at sky blue. So they are having low income but high spending or high spending score, yeah. So have low annual income, still they spend more in the mall. So lastly we have left with pink color. They are having low income, also they spend less in the mall as expected. So this was the task given by Telumvia Solutions. I performed it in Jupyter Notebook using Python. So this same thing can be performed in Excel sheet also or spreadsheet, but I have no idea in Excel sheet, so I cannot explain you and show you that. So this was all about this clustering part, and it was a one kind of exploratory data analysis. So I hope my explanation will help you in understanding. So thank you so much. See you in the next video.